I'm going to be showing you how to send offer to buyers on eBay. So on eBay, you can send an offer to buyers in two main ways. So the first is to send offer to watchers, and the second is to offer to someone who sent you a message about the item. So let's start with the first one. If people are watching your item, you can send them a discounted offer. So the first step you can do is just go to your browser and go to ebay.com. So once you're there, you just need to find the item in active listings that you want to send to your buyers. And once you've done that, if watchers are available, you will see send offers, eligible option there, and all you need to do is tap on that button that says send offers, and you can just enter your discount price and add an optional message to buyers and just send them. You can also send offer through messages. So if a buyer messages you asking for a lower price, then it's pretty simple. All you need to do is be on your homepage and look at the top where you can see your profile. Just tap there and you can just find messages right there. You can just open your messages and see the buyer's message. Just open the buyer's message and send offer. So that's how you send offer to buyer on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.